Honourable Grande Prairie Wapiti.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Alberta's agriculture associations are a key part of the agricultural industry. They develop partnerships with municipal and industry sources to enhance the work of ag producers through collaboration and innovation. The applied research they create through these partnerships is used to enhance profitability, sustainability, and responsible stewardship of the land, as well as contributing to rural development across Alberta. To the Minister of Agriculture, do you support the work of Alberta's Applied Research and Forage Associations?
Honourable Minister of Agriculture.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and the member for the question. I absolutely support research. Any kind of research done in agriculture can only benefit our producers and our farming community, agriculture industry right across the province. It's important that all players on the field there contribute to research. Agriculture in this country, as a matter of fact, worldwide, has advanced because of that research and will continue to support. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Given that these groups do much of the extension work for the agricultural industry, and given that these groups are working hard to enhance agricultural practices through research and innovation, and given that Alberta agriculture relies on these groups to do extension work to enhance the work of ag producers, to the Minister, what benefit do these groups have for Alberta's agricultural industry as a whole?
Honourable Minister.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and the member for the question. As I said in my previous answer, any research within agriculture is beneficial and crucial to advancement of agriculture, as it always has been. Canada, and Alberta in particular, has had some great success stories over the years on applying that research directly into the field and continue to do so. The provincial government of Alberta has had some great successes around research. The Crop Diversification Centre North, Crop Diversification Centre South do great work. As just some examples, and as the producers do some own research themselves, can only advance Albertans, as this government does, to make sure that all Albertans.
Thank you, Honourable Minister. Second supplementary.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Given that there are 12 applied research and forage associations that receive funding through Agricultural Opportunity Fund, and given that these groups partner with others to expand the AOF funding they receive, and given that the extension work they do would not be possible without the AOF funding, to the Minister, will you commit to stable funding for these applied research and forage associations?
Honourable Minister.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and to the member for the question. Research in agriculture, as I said before, is crucial to advancement. There has been some great projects, great programs by a lot of the commissions, whether it's canola, wheat, forage, has had some great projects, some great plans for the future to advance their industry, for the advancement of their own producers here in the province, and for those buyers of the products right across the nation, across the globe, Mr. Speaker. This government is particularly proud of making Alberta's farmers' lives better. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.